Picture this. An elephant named Ellie, known not for her size or strength but for her uniquely hilarious sneeze. One day, her sneeze was so powerful, it sent the jungle's avian residents into an aerial ballet, spelling out "bless you" against the azure sky. The jungle was filled with uncontrollable laughter, echoing from the treetops to the jungle floor. Initially embarrassed, Ellie soon chose to embrace her endearing quirk. She turned her sneeze into a daily spectacle, the jungle's very own comedy show. And just like that, our Ellie, the elephant with the silliest sneeze, became the jungle's funniest star. So the moral of our tale? Embrace your quirks. They might just be your ticket to stardom. Remember, friends, as Ellie would say, sneeze you later, jungle pals. And hey, don't forget to tag a friend who loves elephant giggles. Catch you on the flip side.